Hey there! This video will gently guide you through how to prepare and give your Humog injection at home. Take your time and follow along step by step. Let's start by washing your hands with soap and water. This helps keep everything clean and safe for you. Next, make sure your table or workspace is clean and dry. Having an organized setup really helps the whole process feel easier. Now, let's gather everything you'll need. Your vial and ampule, the ampoule protector, a syringe, a new needle, alcohol swab, a safe disposal container. Once you've got all your items ready, we can move on together. Start by removing the syringe and the pink needle from their wrappers. Attach the needle securely to the syringe. Before we continue, take a quick look at the expiry date on both the medication vial and the solvent. If either one has expired, please don't use it. Next, remove the protective cap from the powder medication vial. Hold the solvent ampule and gently snap it open at the top. Using a protector can make this easier and keep your fingers safe. Now draw the entire amount of solvent from the ampoule into the syringe. Inject the solvent into the vial containing the powdered medication. Give the vial a gentle swirl to help the powder dissolve completely. Avoid shaking it, as this can create bubbles. Once everything has fully dissolved, draw the entire solution back into the syringe, making sure no medication is left in the vial. Remove the pink needle and replace it with the grey needle for the injection. Hold the syringe upright and gently tap it to bring any air bubbles to the top. Then slowly press the plunger until a small drop appears at the tip of the needle. Choose a spot on your lower abdomen, at least 2 fingers away from your belly button. Clean the area gently with an alcohol swab, using a circular motion, and let it dry for a few seconds. Before you begin, double-check the dose again. This is very important. All right, now let's do this. Gently pinch the cleaned area. Insert the needle straight into the skin at a 90-degree angle, all the way in. Press the plunger all the way down to deliver your medication. Hold the syringe in place for a slow, steady 5 seconds. Do not release the plunger. This ensures the full medication dose goes in. After 5 seconds, gently remove the needle. Please remember to only drop the used needle into the container and do not throw the wrappers inside. Bring over the needle container and we will help to dispose into the sharp bin.
Our team is always here to support you throughout your fertility journey. If you need any assistance, feel free to contact us.